I'm going to assume that smoking cigarettes or vaping cigarettes is bad. Are there any studies that have looked specifically at vaping and sperm quality or testosterone levels? And is there any evidence that smoking cigarettes is good for testosterone levels or sperm production? Because I'm guessing
It's possible. I don't think we have the data on that yet. But yeah, I mean, I think, like, to your point, I think lifestyle factors are certainly a big one. And, some of these, potentially, kind of unhealthy habits. So smoking is certainly something you should not do. There have been, lots of studies that do link that to, lower quality. Again, all the different measures that we look at. Also looking at fertility, these men tend to have a longer time to get pregnant. Alcohol, I think, is another very common question we get asked as well. And I think for that, there's, I think less of a strong association that we've seen. So there have been some studies that show that very high levels of alcohol, and I guess that's sort of subjective, what some would consider higher or not. But, when you get above maybe 20 drinks a week, there have been some effects. But usually,
that's a lot of drinking.
I would think that's a lot. Yeah. But some people don't. But yeah.
I did an episode on alcohol. I think anything more than two, I know people are going to balk at this, but I think any more than 2 drinks per week is where you start to see some negative effects on some health parameters. But